Hello everyone. Today I am here with the next session. That is, this is not for 10th standard students alone. All students should learn how to plot India map correctly and easily, how to memorize the states. That is what I have come with the video today. So, welcome to another session of Learners Hub Vellore. Good day everyone. I have divided the map into 4 different stages in which I will be teaching you the map. So you can see here the down part, that is the southern part, is I have marked it as 3, and the central part I have marked it as 4, and the circled one are the ones where children always get confusion in. Now to just clear the confusion, I am here children with the next video. We will start with South India. You can see various aspects of South India where we can see Brahadishwara temple is there, Tirupati temple is there, so many wildlife sanctuaries in Karnataka and Kerala, Vellore fort is shown. So much of Hyderabad, Telangana, everything is there. To bring in, it is very difficult to bring in all aspects of, so I've just taken a few aspects to show you what is very much famous throughout the world. So we will be seeing the 7 states, where to mark the 7 states. So these are all the 7 states which are marked. We can see that now. We'll start off from the first state, which is very smallest state in India, Goa. Then if you come down this yellow color part, that is Karnataka, Kerala, this is Tamil Nadu. You can follow my mouse. This orange color part is Andhra Pradesh. Actually, Andhra Pradesh was together with Telangana. Recently, Telangana was separated from Andhra Pradesh. So these are the states in South India. And this one, I have put it across the next slide. So that state, again, I will just Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, and Maharashtra. Here, this plain area here is Maharashtra. When we go to central India, the specialities over there. We have lots and lots of wildlife in India, children. Wildlife sanctuaries are more. Sardar statue, Sardar Patel statue in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Taj Mahal, we all know, Sanchi Stupa, tea estates of Assam, everything come under the next part. So here we have Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand. Actually, Bihar and Jharkhand were together. They were also divided. West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh got divided into Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh and Sikkim. So we will see where to mark that. So this is the original size of the map. The next slide I have zoomed it out little bit so that it will be easier for you to locate. So children, we will take it from the outline. What is coming first? So Uttar Pradesh. We will take the first one. This is Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh were together, and that divided into Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. That Uttarakhand we will see later. Now we will see only this Uttar Pradesh. Next, Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Then comes the violet color area, that is Gujarat. Now come to the next part, that is Madhya Pradesh. I told you Madhya Pradesh was the biggest state, and that got divided into Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Okay. Now you come here, Maharashtra I have put up here. Then green color area over here is Odisha. Now we can see this Assam, West Bengal, sorry. West Bengal, if you see, it starts from here and it goes down like that. If you see the map clearly, there is no link in between. So that means everybody is getting confused why West Bengal is like that. West Bengal here is a very small area. So it is a continuous state starting from Odisha and it goes till that, the end. Okay. Above that, as a small state is there, Sikkim. So Sikkim is also our state only. So below Sikkim is West Bengal, and you come left to that. So this yellow color and the green color area was Bihar once upon a time. That Bihar got divided into Jharkhand and Bihar. So I think we have finished everything. So these two you will know. Now coming to the most tricky part of the map, how to learn it very easily is what I have come today with the video. So we will go with the first 4 states which is circled here. We will go there. It is so easy, children. So the specialities over the 4 states there. So Kurukshetra is one area over that 4 states, it is there. And all that ice covered mountains. So we can understand that these 4 states have are mountainous region. So half of this, most of the time they are covered with ice, snow. So Himalayan extension only. So we have 4 states over there: Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, and Punjab. How I teach my students to remember that easily is just memorize the first syllable. That is Himachal Pradesh means him you by heart. Him, ut, har, pan. You understand now? Him, ut, har, pan. So you just have to memorize this him, ut, har, pan so that you put it back in the map. So the first one is him. The second one is ut. Third one is har. Fourth one is pan. So you understand Himachal, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Punjab. So it is easy. So you have to mark it from the orange one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Him, ut, har, pan. How to mark it away? Himachal. So the syllable alone I have colored it. Him, ut, har, pan. So you understand? It is very easy, children, if you memorize like that. Him, ut, har, pan. That's all. Now come to the next part. That is very tricky. Even that you memorize with the syllable. That will help you to learn the entire map easily. Northeast. So that is the tribals. Those are the tribal states. Most of the states are, all the states are tribal states there. And these tribal states are the extension of Himalayas. So we will go into that again. So I have bloated that map or zoomed out that part of India map so that to show you clearly I have done that one. So you see here, children, the red color portion, the first red color portion, you have to mark it as it is. That is Arunachal Pradesh. And this orange color one, light orange is there, no? That is Assam. Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, you mark it as it is because they are bigger. You can understand properly. And as you come down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are very small states. If you see in one stretch, you cannot memorize. That is why I'm telling you, you keep watching this video again and again. Slowly, you will master India state map. Now we will go there. Again, same thing. You have to memorize the syllable. As the number I have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you memorize that. NA, Nagaland. MA, Manipur. MI, Mizoram. Tripura, Meghalaya. How you have to memorize that? Na, ma, mi, tri, meg. Na, ma, mi, tri, meg. Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. Very easy, children. So you come back again. The same thing. That syllable alone I have darkened and shown there. Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, you should, as such, you have to do it. So see how it is put up. NA, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, sorry, Tripura, Meghalaya. Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. That's all, children. So for the tricky part alone, you memorize with the syllable. It will be very easy. One was Himmut Harpan, and this is Nama Mitri Meg. That's all. Very easy, children. You keep watching this video again and again so that you master your mapping talents. Thank you very much. All the best, children. Thank you.